welcome back to Home Decor 101, your little corner of YouTube for all things stylish and beautiful in the home. Today, let's jump into a home decor quickie. Alright, so I just wanted to show you these shelves really quickly. Now these shelves pretty much all came from IKEA. This is the IKEA, I believe it's pronounced Hyllis shelf, but let me tell you why you need something like this in your life. So you can see from the various photos that I'm showing you, these shelves are versatile. Whether you choose to use it in your living room as like a bookshelf or something to put decor on, or if you want to use it in your kitchen area for like kitchen items as well as a pantry area, you can use this so many different ways, and I think that that is awesome. It's a great way to save space because you're not going outward, you're going vertical. You see in this picture it's actually in a kid's room, which was pretty awesome. So use it in your office area for like supplies, journals, lamps, whatever. Use it in your laundry room for towels, detergents. Use it in your kitchen for some of your small appliances, or even as a pantry. Use it in your living room to just really display books and little knick-knack items. Another cool thing about this shelf is that if it's not the color that you want, you can always spray paint it. Spray painting is one of my favorite decor tricks because it allows you to take an object, a product, and use it a multiple different ways for a multitude of things, because it's going to always fit your color scheme, because all you have to do is spray paint it. Now of course you can get shelves like this from Amazon. They are available there, but honestly I looked, the ones here at IKEA, the Hyllis shelves, they're only $19.99 per shelf. It's going to be super hard to beat that. And as you see, some people are just getting one shelf and using that. Or if you have the space for it, you can grab 2 or 3 and just stack them side by side. It looks like a larger piece. And you saw right there, somebody actually used it as a shoe rack. There's so many different ways to use these shelves. I think it is the perfect item just to have in your household, because no matter how you're using it, you're going to get some use out of it because there's so many different ways that you can use it. I've even seen someone use it on their balcony, and that way they were able to put their flowers and whatnots, whatever, on it, and it worked so well. So I will go ahead and try to put the link down below in the description box, just in case you're looking for a versatile piece to bring home. Enjoy the video, guys.